Are you looking for the best drone under $30? In this video we will look at some of the best drone under $30 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KY202 Professional 4K Drone. The KY202 Professional 4K Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed to capture stunning high-definition footage from the skies. With its 4K HD camera, this drone ensures that your aerial shots and videos are of the highest quality, providing a captivating perspective. What sets it apart is its gesture sensing feature, allowing you to control the drone's movements through simple hand gestures, adding an interactive and intuitive element to your flying experience. Equipped with escape, electronic speed control, and a 6-axis gyroscope, the KY202 Professional 4K Drone promises stable and precise flight control. This technology contributes to a smooth and steady performance, ensuring that your drone stays on course and captures clear imagery even in challenging conditions. Number 2. UAV 809 4K HD Drone. The UAV 809 4K HD Drone is a cutting-edge aerial device designed for professional use. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, this drone ensures crisp and detailed imagery, perfect for various applications such as photography, videography, and surveillance. Its advanced features include Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, allowing real-time transmission of footage to a connected device. The optical flow technology enhances stability and precision during flight, enabling smooth and controlled movements. With a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system, the UAV 809 is equipped to navigate through its environment with heightened awareness, minimizing the risk of collisions. The foldable design adds convenience, making it easy to transport and store when not in use. Number 3. New Mini4 UAV 4K HD Drone. The new Mini4 UAV 4K HD Drone appears to be a cutting-edge quadcopter equipped with advanced features for an enhanced aerial experience. Its dual 1080p and 4K HD cameras promise high-quality imagery, providing users with the ability to capture stunning photos and videos from the sky. The inclusion of Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, ensures real-time transmission of footage to a connected device, adding an immersive dimension to the flying experience. The drone's foldable design adds portability and convenience, making it easy to carry and store when not in use. Optical flow localization and obstacle avoidance features suggest a focus on safety and stability during flight, allowing for smoother navigation and reducing the risk of collisions. Number 4. JC801 UAV Drone. The JC801 UAV Drone seems like a pretty impressive piece of tech. With its 4K professional HD wide-angle camera, it's ready to capture some stunning aerial shots. The Wi-Fi FPV-RC feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to control and monitor the drone in real time. It sounds like a fantastic tool for aerial photography, and its quadcopter helicopter design suggests stability and maneuverability. I bet it could make for an awesome gift, whether for someone who's into photography or just loves high-tech toys. The camera-free aspect is intriguing. Perhaps it means the drone itself is the gift, or maybe it has some unique camera functionality. Either way, it sounds like a promising addition to the world of UAV drones. Number 5. XT8 Mini Drone 4K. The XT8 Mini Drone 4K is a compact and versatile quadcopter equipped with a professional HD camera, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage in high resolution. Its Wi-Fi FPV, first-person view, capability enhances the real-time viewing experience, providing a sense of immersion as you pilot the drone. The foldable design adds to its portability, making it easy to carry and store. One notable feature is the integrated LED lights, enhancing visibility during both daytime and nighttime flights. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a drone hobbyist, or simply looking for a unique kid's toy, the XT8 Mini Drone 4K offers a range of functionalities. Its camera-free mode also caters to those who prefer a lighter setup or want to focus on flying without capturing footage.